attention, everyone. I will be going live Monday, 8:15 a.m. Central Time, which is 15 minutes before market open. We will be talking about ACHR, JOBY, SOUN, SERV, and more. So if you do want to be here for the open, guys, make sure you get over to the home page and hit that notify me button so you will be notified once Monday's live stream starts. What's going on, YouTube family and friends? I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend, and what we came to talk about here in today's video is ACHR, which I do believe is going to have a wonderful week. Stick around. I believe you may want to hear what I have to say here in today's video. Also, QBTS. This thing does have slight concern here for this upcoming week. Also, we're going to take a brief look at JOBY. If you're holding either of these three stocks, can you please comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below? I want to see which ticker symbol gets the most comments here in today's video. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. And at bat, it's the big O, baby. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video is JOBY. And if you're currently holding the stock, don't forget, comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below. Now, as you guys can see here, Friday was a very tight trading day along this mid-Bollinger Band. A tight bounce is a very great sign, but it isn't bullish just yet. I do feel as though that what you want to keep your eyes out on is market conditions for sure. Looking at the PCD, it's no clear direction as of now, but we have to take in consideration Friday was a very aggressive short selling day with a short sale ratio of 22.57%. 3.51 million shares were sold short. Now, that is incredibly high, the highest since JOBY has been on this short-term rally. If we take a brief look and check out ACHR's case, on the other hand, if you take a brief look and check out its short sell analysis, it is aggressive, but not as aggressive as JOBY on Friday's trading. In fact, the average short sell ratio doesn't come close to JOBY's, but ACHR's total short volume is much higher due to the higher total trading volume on the day, seeing as though that we did see 10.93 million shares being sold short here on Friday in a massive breakout day, and our capital trend here is showing slight outflow in favorment here on the day of only 1.67 million, coming off of an in favorment day of 7.94 million. Guys, this thing is in favoring a short cover here on Monday. I'm going to explain to you guys in further detail here just in a second, but let's go back to JOBY here. Now, my price prediction for JOBY on Monday's trading, if market conditions actually change, is $9.15. If not, and we continue to see things run to the downside overall and trade sideways, I do feel as though that JOBY is going to continue to trade tightly alongside this mid-Bollinger Band, forming a bottom consolidation from that recent high, not the 933, but the recent high of that 914. I do feel as though that we're going to see between 11 to 15% gain here on Monday, like I said before, in the likelihood of the market conditions changing. Right now, we do see we have resistance here at that $8.28. If we do actually see market conditions change, I do feel as though that we're going to see a positive reaction right at the open. With that being said, guys, if you do feel as though that you want to get your feet wet here in Monday's pre-market, it may be a great idea. Back to ACHR, and if you made it this far in the video, can you please comment in the comment section below the word steal here with you. The comments really do help the channel grow, guys. But seeing as though that ACHR is approaching this SAR here, ladies and gentlemen, we are expecting a SAR flip here early this week, as late by Wednesday. But I do feel as though that this thing is headed towards this upper to actually trade beyond it here shortly, around those $10.20 levels here by Wednesday. The likelihood of a short cover taking place here early next week is high, thanks to the stack short positions coming off of Thursday and Friday's trading. If we go back to the capital trend, as you guys can see here, slight net outflow in favorment, which points to more shorting than covering on those block orders, which we can see that short cover take place, especially if we do see the adequate buying pressure roll into ACHR here in the pre-market hours. In case you were wondering what trading platform I am using, it is called Moomoo. If you do want to sign up for Moomoo, remember using my sign up link in the description below will grant everyone these perks you see here on the screen. All you have to do is make your initial deposit of only $100. But not only will you get 15 free stocks, but for those that don't know how to read indicators or charts, don't worry, Moomoo have you covered with the interpretations of indicators chart. This easy to use tool makes it very simple on understanding whether a stock is bearish or bullish. And you will also see me refer to this chart quite often in my videos. So again, using my sign up link while signing up for Moomoo, you get a lot to gain and nothing to lose. If ACHR can manage to open above those $8.70 levels here on Monday's trading, it's more than likely that we will see that fourth short cover take place here early at the open. Also, ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, we're going to take a brief look at QBTS. And this thing also did see a major breakout here on Friday, closing with 27.88% in gain. And ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that this thing has more room to run. And if we take a brief look and just check out the recent short sale activity here in QBTS, it's not extremely high, but again, it is aggressive here on Friday, though it is the highest that we have seen here since this rally has begun at that 12.23%, backed by a high volume as well. If we take a brief look and check out the capital trend on this, we do see net inflow in favorment. And if we look at our PCD, we currently have resistance at $5.08 on the day, with that upper Bollinger Band sitting at 509. I do feel as though that QBTS, with the likelihood of the market direction actually turning here on Monday, alongside favoring JOBY's situation, I do feel as though that this thing stands also a great chance to see a continuation to the upside here Monday. Far as the likelihood of a short cover taking place here in QBTS, the short positions here aren't quite stacked here like ACHR situation, but QBTS is solely running off of retail investor interest here right now. Also, we're starting to see a uptick in the options chain here as well in QBTS. I will be announcing a easy money call option for you guys to check out here during Monday's live stream. So if you do want to catch that easy money call option, make sure you're there 8:15 a.m. Central Time on Monday, and the gains will begin. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that we're going to see QBTS actually achieve a $7 price target here in the month of December. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that easy money call option is going to fetch a nice return. So again, you don't want to miss out on that. With that being said, my price prediction for Monday sits at $7.77 plus. So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you. Click the video you see on the screen so you can get your notification when Monday live stream starts.